Good morning, friends. Welcome in Gopinathji Mahila College, Shihor. Business Communication, SEM 3, Unit number 1. In a previous lecture, we learn about the letter writing. The first letter we write to the company about trade references. Now, a company asking for your trade references. Now, you give the answer to the company by your trade references. So now start with the letter of trade references. Giving trade references, Blue Collections, Kalwa Chowk, Junagadh, November 15, 2020. Mr. or Miss Z Blue Palari, Ahmedabad, respected sir. The same former of the letter now references your letter of October 5th, 2020. Here is a by mistake 2017, but you read 2020. The references you give the answer of the letter asking by the trade references and the subject giving trade references. Now you give trade reference to the party. Now this refers to your letter of October 5th, 2020 asking for trade references. In this connection, we are pleased to inform you that the following business firms will give you references regarding our financial status and the credit worthiness. I repeat, this refers to your letter of October 5th, 2020 asking for trade reference. So, in letter number 1, date October 5th, 2020 and the company asking for the references. And now you give the letter on November 15th, 2020 answer trade references. This refers to your letter of October 5th, 2020 asking for trade references. In these connections, we are pleased to inform you that now we are happy to inform that the following business firms will give you references regarding our financial status and the credit worthiness. Two company here give trade references to you. First one, Fantastic Collections, Dr. Yagnik Road, Rajkot, phone 256365889. Second one's Frank Jefferson's Kevikaka Road, Rajkot, phone 2534611. So here is a two person and a company gave the trade references about your blacklist. And now you see the last, you may contact the above parties for informations. Can you understand? You may contact the above parties for information about our business reputations and credit. So ask to the two both. Here is a given to the two references, Fantastic Collections and Frank Jefferson's. The Blue Collections is a references by the two another parties and the reputations and the credit. We are ready to furnish still more references as and when required by you. If now the company say to you, if you have another references, I will give you in the next times. Thank you very much. Yours faithfully for Blue Collections, PS Andharia of the partner of the Z Blue company. So now you give the answer. So here is a two letters learned by us. First asking for trade references and another letter you give the informations about trade references and give two parties references to give to the another parties. So very fine letter. Now in a previous lecture we learn letter number 2, favorable opinion. એટલે કે અનુકૂળ opinion એટલે મત આપ્યો હોય. Now the one party gave a unfavorable report and reputations and the credit. So let's see the letter number 4. Dr. Yagnik Road, Rajkot, November 30, 2020. Z Blue Paladi, Ahmedabad. Respected sir. તો તો હિયર ઇઝ અ રિપોર્ટ ગિવિંગ અનફેવરેબલ, એટલે કે તમારા મતમાં અનુકૂળ નથી એવો મત આ પાર્ટી આપે છે. તો રેફરન્સ ઇઝ યોર લેટર ઓફ નવેમ્બર 22, 2020. તો તમે 22 નવેમ્બરે જે પત્ર લખેલો છે એના જવાબમાં એક પાર્ટી છે એ તમને અનફેવરેબલ રિપોર્ટ આપે છે. તો સબ્જેક્ટ ગિવિંગ અનફેવરેબલ ઓપિનિયન. we have received your above letter asking for our opinion on trade worthless credit of the party concerned. I repeat, here is we have received your above letter asking. તો તમને ખબર છે કે પહેલા પત્ર મળ્યો છે ઓપિનિયન ઓન ક્રેડિટ વર્થલેસ ઓફ ધ પાર્ટી કન્સર્ન. તો પાર્ટીએ હવે જે બે તમે રેફરન્સ આપ્યા હતા એમાંથી એક પાર્ટીએ તમારો જે રેફરન્સ છે એ અનફેવરેબલ આપ્યો છે, બીકોઝ અગેન્સ્ટ યુ. In this regard, we have to inform you that so far we know the party has no market reputation at present. Now the answering by the Frank Jefferson party, the party has a no past and here market reputations at present is because you are the new party. So here is a good things about. I repeat, in this regard, we have to inform you that so far we know the party has no market reputations, no market value, no market reputations at present. They are found most regular in making payment of due bills. So as you know, second things is very important for you. They are found most irregular payment system, irregular in marketing payment of due bills. Their financial standing in our opinion, તો એના મત મુજબ તમારી ફાઇનાન્શિયલ કન્ડિશન ઇઝ વેરી પુઅર, તમારી ફાઇનાન્શિયલ કન્ડિશન છે એ વેરી પુઅર છે. એન્ડ યુ સી ઇન ધ બિફોર લાઇન કે ઇરેગ્યુલર બિલ પેઇંગ. તો ટુ થિંગ્સ આર અનફેવરેબલ ફોર યુ. It is our experience that the party is passing through the financial crisis. So the third thing is your party will be passing through a financial poor conditions. And in our opinion, is it not advisable to grant any credit facility to the party? Now the trouble for the party, because in our opinion it is not advisable to grant any credit facility to the party. However, please note that this is our totally personal opinion. As you know, last the party told to the you that this is our personal opinion. We don't take any responsibility if it is otherwise. પાર્ટી કદાચ કોઈ ડિસ્પ્યુટ ઊભો કરશે તો એના માટે અમે જવાબદાર એટલે કે મીન્સ કે રિસ્પોન્સિબલ નથી. પ્લીઝ કીપ ધીસ લેટર એઝ મોસ્ટ પ્રાઇવેટ એન્ડ ટોટલી કોન્ફિડેન્શિયલ. Now you write to the company and letter, please keep this letter as a most private and confidential. Confidential means ગુપ્ત રાખવાનો છે આ લેટર. We hope you understand what we mean to say. Thanking you, yours faithfully, for Frank Jefferson, Ram Gopal, partner of the company. So you see in the second lectures the fourth letter. So here we learn about the four types of letter. First, asking for the trade references. Second, giving opinion favorable. Third, trade references. And fourth, unfavorable giving report by the Jefferson's company. So here is a 4-letter completed in unit 1. I think and I hope that all the students understand all these things. Only you see and you write and you learn the format of the letter writing. So unit 1 is very simple for you, only asking a letter, and letter writing is for importantness.